that you can't physically materialize or use logic or reasoning or evidence. You can't rationalize it reasonably. You can't verbalize why you feel a particular way. But your intuition just say, hey, it's time to go. I want to go to this place. And sometimes going to that place may require you to going against the wave. You have to just follow your own wave. The journey will be longer. You will take a much longer time to get to your destination if you go against the tide, if you go against the wave. But if your intuition tells you to go in your own lonely direction, follow your heart, follow what that intuition tells you.